UFFI is one of those stories that it's really hard to believe. Could have the Canadian government screwed up any more? UFFI is Urea Formaldehyde Foam Installation. It's a really cool installation because it has a high R factor, and since it's a foam, it's really easy to get into really tight spaces. In the 1970s, the Canadian government gave grants to Canadians to put this in their homes. And then under suspicion that there was off-gassing that was causing a health risk to Canadians, the Canadian government immediately banned it. In the US, a similar thing happened. It was actually in a modular home. They were using UFFI, and there was definitely off-gassing. And so the US government banned it as well. But then what they discovered is it wasn't the UFFI that was causing the off-gassing, it was actually the carpet and the paneling. So the US no longer banned it. Also, in Montreal, a bunch of Canadians got together to sue the Canadian government for them encouraging them to put this UFFI in their houses that was obviously dangerous. It was an 8-year court case, and there was absolutely no proof that was given that UFFI ever caused off-gassing. In over 40 years, nobody has ever been able to prove that UFFI has ever caused any harm. But Urea, the real estate body, makes us put into every offer a disclosure if there is UFFI. So why? I ask Urea. Urea's response is, UFFI is a stigma. Some buyers don't want to buy a house that has UFFI. But why is UFFI a stigma? UFFI is a stigma because we have to disclose it in our offer. It makes absolutely no sense. If you're thinking of buying a house with UFFI, there are absolutely no proven health reasons not to. In fact, it's still used in Europe. If you have any questions about UFFI, please just ask.